Today I got something in the mail that I did not expect, honestly. I saw it in my email about how I was in, and that was it. I literally went to the site, and I'll tell you more about this, but it's called Influencer, I guess. And it's called the VoxBox. I went into my app, and it told me that I had a box coming my way, and I didn't believe it. I thought it was just one of those fake boxes, or I don't know, maybe like coupons in the mail or something. I don't know, but I was wrong. I got a box today, and it is from Maybelline. It's called Maybelline VoxBox, VoxBox. And no, this is not a sponsored video or anything like this. It is free products that I can talk about and test it. And apparently these are new products that are about to come out, or they already are coming out, or are out. And they just want people to test them and try them out and share it with you guys. So that's what I'm here to do today, is because I don't know what's in this. I really don't. So it is called Just For You, the VoxBox. So it says Just For You on the front. It has like a little emoji, I don't know, comment box, I guess. Nothing really on the sides, just a 5-star and plain. Then on the front it says launch the app. This is how you get started. It says launch the app, raise your voice, star ratings, and then show the world. Meaning I can either do what I'm doing now, or I can go on Instagram and show the world about what I got, or Facebook, or anything, which I plan on doing all of those. And so let me cut into this box real fast. Still don't have enough coffee in my system. And it says, okay, so this is what it says right here, Influencer. You go to this and you download the app, and it should tell you, it will probably, I don't know, it's hard to explain how to get started with these, but this is completely free. I didn't have to pay for anything, no shipping costs or anything like that. And all I did was literally go on the website in the app store of Influencer. I think this is on Androids and iPhones, tablets, whatever. You can even do it on the computer if you have it, your laptop. Basically what I did was I stuck my information in on my socials, so like not my social security, but like my social life. Like I'm a YouTuber, I put in my links for it, put in my links for Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, and some other things, and then I finished my profile. You had to check out and rate other products on there, like you use that you like want to share to the world, like Maybelline Fat Fun, since it is a Maybelline box. That Fit Me matte poreless, I put it on there, and everybody is going crazy for it. I gave a really great description of it. I gave it a 5-star rating. I even helped other people's questions on it, and that's what you do. You can either add pictures to help your campaign a little bit more, or so on and so forth. So this is I think this is December. I don't know how they do this whole box thing, but this is what you'll see. And it's a small box. Okay, so, and I see 3 items. Ooh. Okay, so new in January 2020, the Maybelline Influencer. This is the card, and on the back of it, it shows you what you got. So it says, get a naturally beautiful look with these new must-haves. I have a Dream Radiant Liquid Medium Coverage Hydrating Foundation, which is kind of, it's like the Dream Satin Liquid from Maybelline that I've had for years. Well, not had for years, but I keep buying it. And then we have the Brow Fast Sculpt Taming Brow Gel. This is all from Maybelline. And then we have the Color Sensational Cream Lipstick with shea butter. Ooh. And it says right down here, get started. 1, log into your Influencer app and check out the Maybelline campaign. 2, test out your new products, which is, this is what I have. So this is what I'm telling you what I gotta do, I guess. Test out your new products. 3, review your products on your brand page, which will be the app. And it says and I have to tell you guys, obviously it's free or complimentary. It's testing purposes only. I did not get paid for this. I did not get sponsored for this or anything like that, which is fine. I like free products. I'm not gonna complain. So I'm gonna go in and get the first one on the list, which will be the foundation. It's in a bubble wrap, and it's very tall. And nice. Okay, so it's in the shade Nude, which is my shade, which is awesome, because when you put on there your profile information and everything, they'll ask you like foundation shades, and you go for the one that you usually have. So they will send you what you have and what you use. So this is like a lot bigger from their satin. So this is the Radiant and this is the satin. And I'm wondering, because the satin was more like matte color, I'm wondering if this is a more shine. Formulated with skin-loving ingredients, hyaluronic acid and collagen, lightweight, breathable formula hydrates an even skin tone while leaving skin looking radiant, healthy, and plump. Ooh, okay. Okay, so a sticker. Let me get the sticker off. Oh, that was a really quick sticker. It just came right off. Okay. Pull the twist off. Oh, okay. It's pull up. And it's a squeezy. So it's in the shade Nude 40. Gives up to 12 hours continuous hydration. It visibly improves the look of skin. Medium coverage with radiant finish. Doesn't clog pores. Dermatologist tested. Okay, so. Okay. Do a little pump here. Nice. That little pump did go a long ways. And I can still like spread it if I have to. Oh, it's so cool. Can you, you probably can't tell the difference, but it like blends in perfectly. That is awesome. Okay, I'm gonna towel. Clean off my other hand because I can see some other things I need to test on it. Awesome, I can't wait to try that out. I will do a video of just Maybelline testings on my next one. So here in a couple days, you guys will see a video for the Maybelline products. Oh, how exciting. Okay, on to the next one is the Brow Fast Sculpt. This is in the shade, what is this? 264 Clear, Transparent. Is this just a gel? Taming Brow Sculpting Gel. Okay, so like I have like little frizzies right here. So I could just, okay, that's cool. Color, tame, and shape for a natural brow look. How to use brush gel into brows with a short upward stroke. So it's just like a clear one, so you can set your brows easily without having to color it. That's pretty cool. Okay, let me open this. Okay, so I got it. No, it won't twist off. Okay. So, okay, yeah, it is just a gel. It's very see-through. See, like, I'll put it right here and you can't see anything. That's cool. I don't know why I gotta smell things. I was like, no polish. Okay, so putting that off to the side here. That's pretty cool, because sometimes I don't like to color my gels, but I want them to stay in place. Or my gels. Color my gels. I don't want to color my brows. That's what I meant. So the next one and the last is a Color Sensation lip cream. And it's such a cute bottle. It's obviously squared. And it's just, it has Maybelline literally fastened right into here. And it's in the shade 233 Pink Rose. So, that's cool. Whew. Okay, the light shows it a lot more pinker, but it has like that, what color? It's like it's pink, but with a lot more red into it, so if that makes sense. That is pretty. Yeah, I'll try it a different time. So I have all that, and it says this color so crisp, lips so smooth, hydrating lipstick with pure color pigments and shea butter. Available in 40 creamy shades. That is awesome. So these are the 3 products that I have that I will be testing in a future video. And I can't wait, especially with the foundation. I want to know how that is, and I'll do like a 24-hour wear or 8-hour wear or whatever, how long it takes. But it says it lasts up to 12 hours, so we'll see. But this is what I got in my Influencer VoxBox with Maybelline VoxBox, and I really hope you guys enjoyed the video, because these are new products. Like I said, I did not get paid or sponsored for this. These are just given to me for free to test out and to let you guys know about them. And I'm honestly excited. Like, the lipstick is very creamy. It's very, it's kind of shiny somewhat, but matte at the same time. So we'll see how it stays on, because it doesn't say how long it will last for. That's kind of the go-to one we need. But that is it. Let me know in the bottom below what you guys think of the products and everything, and I can't wait to show you guys honestly what it'll look like. So don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you have not already, and smash that notification bell to stay tuned for my upcoming next video, which will be the reviews of this products. Have fun! And I'll put in the bottom below the more information about how to get started with Influencer. I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I'll catch you on the next video. Bye!